Nebraska. Tumawid na kami ng state ng Colorado. Yan.
Magandang brand.
Parang naging magandang brand yung aloe. Gawa sa aloe vera. Aloe. So yan, good morning guys at day 3 ng aming biyahe. So rito kami sa hotel dito sa Super 8 Nebraska. So dito na kami nagpalipas ng gabi ulit. And heading na kami sa Denver sa aming destination. So may tutulugan pang isa and then Saturday pa yung event, no? Saturday pa. So yun, siguro gagala muna sa Denver. And
Meet sila mami.
meet yung aking mother-in-law and mga sister-in-law and mga relatives. So yan,
National Park muna daw.
National Park. So yan, bibili na namin grapes. May ko sa fridge. And mga bata kaligo na. So yun, magbe-breakfast lang kami din bago kami mag-head out to Colorado. It's about 4 hours from here. Exciting na rin ako para kaya namin mamaya lunch. So may baon pa kaming ulam na adobo. So yun. Ano si Lola? We didn't wait for Lola.
I don't know where to.
In the bathroom. Malit lang to na hotel. Kasi may casino. What's the breakfast? Scrambled egg. Sausage. Ito, scrambled egg.
Dana, you still want hot cake?
I want to order.
Yung taas pa.
Papa,
Later. We need to
I
eat.
want to watch.
Daddy, I also
want to. And
Kumuha kang plates.
Papa, I'm gonna watch.
Okay, hang on. Just wait.
Wait, give me this one. I'm gonna watch.
You just want pancake? Hot cake?
I'm because
Tequila with egg.
Pancake or hot cake? Pancake or hot cake? Ha?
more like waffle.
Mukha po. Kung kaya lang ubusin, ha?
Only two.
So kami nagkakarga na. Hindi namin binababa lahat. Kasi hotel lang. Ganyan kami ka-loaded. Ganyan kami ka-loaded yung mga gown tsaka mga gagamitin sa wedding. So ito is wow. Sa cooler kami. Yung mga pang decorate. Dila namin lahat. Kaya malaking bagay guys yung may malaking sasakyan. Lalo na kung malaking pamilya nyo. Ano, wala na space. Puro bata na lang nakaupo rito. Para lumuwag ng kaunti. It's a 7-seater van, Chrysler Pacifica limited edition. Yan. limited. Limited yan. From Winnipeg, Manitoba. Hindi kagaya ng van sa atin, malalaki ang van sa atin. 10-seater. Parang lumalamig. Ito kasing van na to is nirent lang namin. Brand new to. 2025. So ang tinakbo lang nito is nasa 2,000 nung kinuha ko sa rental. Kaya laking bagay pagka bago. Wala kang isipin na mabi-breakdown or what. So yan, laking bagay na may van. 3.6, may matipid-tipid siya. Kada saling ko is magkano lang, $30. Yan ang power. May kakarga pa naman to, di ba?
Yan, tanggalin mo yung paper plate.
Doon si babaw. Sa likod, sa likod.
Tanggalin mo ay.
Yan, si babaw, dito.
May lalagay pa nga. Tanggalin mo yan.
Tali mo na yan sa unahan. Kaya bawa pa kami noodles. Yung ano, doon sa may sahig ba may ilalim yun? Nakita mo? May butas. So yan, inspection muna bago tayo umalis. Baka may gumalaw sa ating sasakyan. Parang medyo malambot yan ah. Inspection all the way. Pre-trip ba? Pre-trip. Pirelli yung gulong. Ganda ng gulong. Pirelli. So yan. Palis na kami rito sa hotel. Hotel Super 8 na medyo maingay kagabi.
Sinabi ko nga doon sa process.
Ano sabi?
So sorry about
Sorry is not good. May nagkagulo kasi kagabi, nag-aaway. 167 miles.
Mommy,
Yun. 4 hours.
4 hours?
Mm.
Yay! 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 Hey! So we're gonna ride there at 2.
Quiet, magpa-play.
Let's go. Let's go. Abot siguro to.
Take the next right toward West Eugene Avenue, then turn right onto West Eugene Avenue. Take the second right onto West
Ano,
Eugene
maghahabi-labi
Avenue,
ka?
then turn right to stay on West Eugene Avenue.
Bukas na.
Tara. Bukas na, sure ka? Bibili na ako ng tali. Tsaka yung ano.
Habang na dito pa.
Mahaba pa naman time natin eh, di ba?
Oo nga, bukas.
In 500 feet, turn left onto Old US Highway 83, South
Mamaya.
Willow Street.
Mamaya. Ibibili lang.
Ay, yung pala. Tara.
May ba nabili para Michaels?
Ito mas maganda.
Kaya na, masyat pa ako eh.
Ay, malango!
Welcome ng border ng Nebraska. Alright. Let's get it on.
Nasaan niya na yan?
Ayan na.
Tara, picture tayo. Nakain lang steak ka na, mami.
Hey! Where are you going?
Pipicture nga tayo.
Where's yours?
Yeah, lalim.
Wait, we're in Colorado already?
Yeah.
Hey, mommy! The bag almost fell on my. The bag almost fell on my head.
Welcome to colorful
Welcome to
Colorado.
Colorado.
Right. Another border state na naman. Let's go down. Picture lang na naman. So, Nebraska, tumawid na kami ng state ng Colorado. Yeah, Colorado. Colorful Colorado. So, yun. Dire-diretso na kami sa Denver. So, state na ng Colorado. Punta kami ng Denver. So, it is border pa lang. Then, yun. Tara na. At konti oras na lang. From here is 2 hours may get. So, yan. Ang aming service. So, nandito na kami sa Denver. Sa Ramada. Malapit sa airport. Kasi yung mga sister-in-law ko darating mamayang gabi. What? Hi.
Yes.
What ID? Driver's license?
Yeah, okay. Yep.
Stay here.
Stop.
Diba?
Stop.
Umusog ka dun.
Karen. Karen.
Do we have a floor preference at all? If you're on the main floor, that'll be easier.
You have a pool?
No, we don't have a pool. We don't have time. LXU?
106.
106.
May parking fee? There's a parking fee?
Yes, we have a 10-hour parking.
Andin niya yung 9.
September 3rd. Can we need a card on file for the incidentals, please? Card on file.
Anong card?
Credit card. Card on file. Just a second, I'll get it set up for you, okay? insert?
Swipe.
Just insert.
Can you stop following me?
All set. It's gonna be a signature there. Initials on the back, please.
Initial.
Yeah.
All?
Yes, and all of them, please.
What is this 250? Oh, damage deposit.
Yeah.
A charge of 250 will be charged to guests for damage or more in a damage exceed 250.
All set. There's your parking number. Just go inside the vehicle, okay? You're just gonna be
Oh,
down
should
to
I
the right.
should I put this in the
It's
car?
in the vehicle, yes.
Can I put it later?
Yeah, but that's fine. Oh, no, 105. Oh, kaya na maglalabas din lang naman tayo.
Mamaya na nga. Hila yun. 105.
105.
Here, on the right. On the right. Check the number. Do.
Here, 105.
Ano lang?
Hindi daw sumasad pa naman.
So, lalabas muna kami at kami may bibilin. Diyan ah.
Hi.
Wah. Parang malambot nga ang gulong. Magmumulang muna kami saglit. May bibilin. Bukas pa naman yung lakad talaga namin. Yung mismong lakad namin is tomorrow pa.
Uy.
So, lagay natin dito to.
You forgot something.
It's okay. Let's go to the mall. So, dito kami ngayon sa mall. Cherry Creek Mall. Come on. Saan mo nilagay?
Kuya had it. It was in his.
Saan mo nilagay?
It's like where the pillow is. Behind the packages. I don't see any.
There.
Oh.
So, pasok muna kami sa mall. May bibili lang. Kailangan gamitin sa Saturday. Kailangan talagang palinisan. Sprayan.
Ay, dyan na.
Sa mall.
Why are you placing this wrong?
What? What?
They're so new. Like it's more new than ours.
The dinosaur. Dinosaur girl.
Can I please play?
Later.
That's my
Later.
rock.
We're gonna buy the things for
Can I buy makeup?
dress.
Can we please play that?
Chanel. Like Chanel. Later.
Please.
Say later.
No.
Ano ba yung alo na yun?
Magandang brand.
Parang naging magandang brand yung alo. Gawa sa aloe vera? Alo. Patak lang yun. Alo. Ano yung pelo? Yung dalawa naman to, walang gano'n kundi mag... So, meron din silang mga ano, vitamins, sexual hair. May mga vitamins din sila. Digest. Superfood multivitamins. What pala yun? Ano to? Alo yoga.
Hi, guys.
Oh, ano masasabi mo? Say we're back to
We're back to the hotel.
and
We're gonna sleep.
then we're gonna leave early tomorrow
We're gonna leave early tomorrow
for
for...
punta?
We're gonna go in a different hotel.
House.
Oh, we're gonna go in a beautiful house, and we're gonna dress up there, right? For the wedding.
Yeah.
Nag-fire alarm. Ang ingay pala ng fire alarm.
Fire alarm ng ano?
Yung ito buong building.
Kailan?
Sinend ko sa'yo. Nag-send ako sa'yo ng video ng nag-fire alarm dito eh.
Kailan?
May umusok sa basement. Noong kami nag-dive. Alam mo, hindi ko makakatulog. Talagang sobrang bakas.
So, nakabalik na kami rito sa hotel.
And I like this hotel. Look,
Kami yung mauwi.
it's nice inside.
Bukas ay tayo ay
Kami, ay, nagtitip na yung pagmalita.
sa yung ano? Dito tayo, dito. Come on.
Okay.
Tayo punta.
Dun.
Can I hold it? Can I see?
No.
Please.
Say something to the vlog.
There. No, it's there.
Dito tayo.
So we're going back to our.
Mommy, when was that? There was a
We're
fire.
going back to our door.
I don't want to go back.
And we're gonna.
Ay, ito. May video pala ako.
We're gonna go back to our living room.
Nakapag-video ka pa.
Can I see?
So, nakabalik na kami dito sa hotel. Maga bukas. At ngayon ay day 3. Yes.
Was I there, Mommy? Was I
Bukas ay
there?
day 4.
What?
Bukas ay special na.
Puro pa siya na starting tomorrow.
105. Tap lang.
You put it in.
Ano ba number natin?
Tama ba?
Ano ba number natin?
You put it in. Piga. You did. Put it up.
Puritin nga.
Number 105. So hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating day 3. At rest time na.
Wear your shoes na.
Ayun, ingat-ingat po lahat at maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsubaybay sa Malalakbay Biyahero. So have a good day, guys.